Hey everybody, stay tuned in this weekly update where I'll be giving you a summary of the Azure news this week and also be telling you what I've been up to. Hey everybody, welcome to this weekly update with myself, Sarah Lean. Now, to get straight into the Azure news of this week, we saw the release of Azure Stack HCI as a generally available product. So it's now fully supported for you to use it within production. And I'm quite excited about where this product is and how it can help people with their on-prem solutions and extend some of those Azure services that they've been loving into their on-prem environment. I was lucky this week as well to speak to Matt McSpirit, who's a program manager here at Microsoft, who's been working with customers on previews of the Azure Stack HCI solution, and he was able to dispel some of those myths and answer some of the questions that I had around it. So if you haven't already, please do check out that video where I spoke to Matt about the product, and you can find out a bit more about it there as well. Also in the Azure world this week, we've seen new announcements about data center regions in Chile and in Denmark. Both of those data centers are going to be very carbon neutral. They're going to follow the Microsoft green policy to make sure that everything is environmentally friendly. But accompanying those data centre region announcements is also an investment in the country's technology sector as well. And I think for the Denmark offering, Microsoft are also looking at helping to bring more than, I think it was 20,000 people into the tech sector, and a similar number as well within Chile. So it's exciting to see Microsoft not only extend their data centre but help these regions with their technology sector and also invest in the people around that as well. Now, slightly off topic, it's not quite Azure news, but we've seen GitHub Universe happen this week, which was the GitHub annual conference full of big announcements, and we've saw some great features and functionality come along with that conference. One that I'm excited about is the dark mode within GitHub, so now you can turn that on and have dark mode enabled within the GitHub platform as well. So great news there if you're a big fan of the dark mode. They've also seen things that can help the open source projects be supported. So a while ago, they launched a program where you could, as an individual, contribute some money either on a one-off basis or regularly to open source projects that you support to help these open source projects keep going and keep running. And they saw feedback from a lot of companies saying that we want to support this, but it's quite a convoluted process in helping to support these individuals and their open source projects with purchase orders and all those kind of things that go with companies. What GitHub have now launched is the ability for companies to actually support these open source projects, and the payment actually goes into their GitHub bill. So if they have GitHub Enterprise, it'll just go into that one big bill, so it'll be a lot easier for them to contribute to the open source project. So great to see that as well. We've also seen them release a beta feature called Discussions, and that's going to allow people to collaborate and have a kind of forum type chat within your repositories when you want to collaborate either with your team or collaborate with people who use your open source projects. And yeah, that looks quite interesting and quite exciting as well. So definitely check out the news from GitHub Universe and see if there's any features and functionalities that can enhance your work life as well. Now, in terms of my week this week, I have had ups and downs, to put it nicely. I got to participate in an event at the Festive Tech calendar. I was in as part of a Ask Me Anything around Azure Migrate and server migration, which is a fun, interesting hour during my week. Lots of great questions from everybody and lots of great participation. So thank you to everybody that supported that event, and thank you to everybody that's been involved in the Festive Tech calendar overall, either organising or creating content. Myself, Pierre and Thomas are all going to do our Ask Me Anything next week on Wednesday at 3 p.m. GMT, so UK time. And we are willing to ask anything, answer anything, to be honest. So come armed with your festive questions. Ask us about our favourite Christmas movie, how many Hue lights we have in our houses, or ask us some technology questions about Azure Arc, Azure Migrate, ARM templates, Bicep, whatever it may be. Come and have an interactive session with us. We'll be going live and happy to try and answer as many questions as we can during that hour. My down this week has been I was recording a session for an event that's happening next week, and my first recording, thought it went well, closed everything down to try and save it off, all my audio, my video, my presentation, and the video barfed on me, completely died, didn't save, so that was a good 50 minutes worth of me presenting a session completely lost. I could have edited it with just the presentation and the audio, but to be honest, I wanted to include the video. The organisers had asked for the video, so I wanted to make sure I was kind of adhering to their requirements and asks, and I always think it's better to give the viewers, a bit of a view of me as well with the slides, just in case that's what they want to interact with. I re-recorded it, and the video didn't record properly again for the second time. So yeah, and I think that this time was an issue with my laptop trying to record the slides, trying to record the audio, trying to record the video, and it just lagged and there was no way of saving it. So I was absolutely gutted when I discovered that that second recording had also failed. And then I had to re-record it and then edit it all, so it was a real late one for me last night. I think I actually logged off at 10:45 last night my time, so yeah, nice 14-hour day on Thursday was definitely not what I had planned, but I also had some nice fun meetings in between all of that drama yesterday with some colleagues and some new people that I've met. So yeah, swings and roundabouts this week, swings and roundabouts. Today I am hosting AZ Update with Anthony, so join us later on today, or join us in the recording if you're not watching this in time to catch us live. I think we go live at 3 p.m. on the UK time this afternoon. Should really double check that. And then later on tonight I'm recording a session for an event that's happening in January as well. So yeah, I'm on a panel of hosts talking about something. I won't tell you anything about it right now because I'm not sure if the event has been publicly announced, but looking forward to that as well. So it'll be another late one, unfortunately for me, but it's Friday and the weekend is very fast approaching, so it's all good. I hope you all had a good week, and stay safe this weekend and try and enjoy what you can, with various different lockdown tiers happening up and down the UK and in various different countries. But stay safe everybody, and I'll catch you next week as well.